first topic about the electrolytic cell, I am going to start the next topic, that is quantitative aspect of electrolysis. Quantitative aspect of electrolysis. There was a scientist, that is Michael Faraday, who performed a number of experiments, and on the basis of results of his experiment, he proposed two laws regarding quantitative aspect of electrolysis under his name, Faraday's first law and Faraday's second law. So what is Faraday's first law? According to Michael Faraday, what he observed in number of experiments, that amount of substance, let us say it is W, amount of substance is, let us say it is W gram, which is deposited on the electrode, or if it is in gas state, liberated at the electrode, is directly proportional to current in ampere. Means how much current is passed through the electrolytic solution, that amount of substance will deposit on that amount of current, but this current should be in ampere. Capital I should write in capital. He also observed amount of substance that is also directly proportional to the time in second. We have to take care, the time should be always in the second. So what he observed, the amount of substance deposited on the electrode is directly proportional to current in ampere, and that current is passed for how much time? W is directly proportional to I into W directly proportional to T, or we can say W is directly proportional to I into T. This I into T, yani current in ampere and time in second, that is also known as quantity of charge. That is denoted by Q. Q is equal to I into T. So we can say W directly proportional to Q. Or we can say W is equal to ZIT, or we may write Z into Q. Okay. What is Z? It is a proportionality constant, but here Z will be called electrochemical equivalent. Electrochemical equivalent. And mathematically, its value was found equal to atomic weight divided by valence into 96500. Atomic weight over valence may be called equivalent weight. Atomic weight or valence may be called equivalent weight. So we may write value of Z. We may show value of Z equivalent weight over 96500. Now what is 96500? This is the value of Faraday. So 96500, it is a value of Faraday, that is 1 Faraday. So how can we calculate this value, that is 1 Faraday 96500, and it can be calculated by multiplying charge on the one electron and number of moles present in number of electrons present in 1 mole, 6.02 10 × 23. So this value can be calculated by multiplying charge on one electron and number of electrons present in 1 mole of substance. Okay, so we may define that this value comes around 96500. That's why it is called 1 Farad. So 1 Farad may be defined as it is the charge on 1 mole of electron, and 96500 value will be in coulombs. So how can we define Faraday? Faraday is defined as charge on 1 mole of electron, that is known as 1 Faraday, and its mathematical value is 96500 coulomb. coulomb. Okay. So sometimes one question, very interesting question is asked: if current passed through the electrolytic solution is 1 ampere and time is 1 second, means 1 ampere current is passed for 1 second, then we can say the mass of substance deposited will be equal to Z. So how can we define electrochemical equivalent? Electrochemical equivalent may be defined as the amount of substance deposited on the electrode or gas liberated on the electrode when 1 ampere current is passed for 1 second. Okay, that's in this way we can define electrochemical equivalent. One more interesting question is asked. So there is one interesting thing about the how can we define electrochemical equivalent? Electrochemical equivalent define that when time is 1 or current is also 1. Okay, secondly, if 1 Faraday is the quantity of charge, if 1 Faraday is the quantity of charge, then how much amount of substance deposited or liberated at electrode? अगर हम एक 1 फैराडे क्वांटिटी ऑफ चार्ज हमारे पास है, किसी इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल में क्वांटिटी ऑफ चार्ज कितना है 1 फैराडे है, तो सब्सटेंस की कितनी अमाउंट डिपॉजिट होगी ऑन द इलेक्ट्रोड. अब इस ये प्रॉब्लम को कैसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे देखिएगा. वी नो दैट W इज इक्वल टू इक्विवेलेंट वेट ओवर 96500. ओके, दिस इज वैल्यू ऑफ Z into I into T. Okay, this is the relationship. W is equal to Z, that is electrochemical equivalent. Electrochemical equivalent is the equivalent weight over 96500 into I into T. Here, quantity of charge is given to us, that is 1 Faraday. So we will put the value of 1 Faraday. So equivalent weight over 96500 and 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday means 96500. So we can cancel out 96500. It means W is equal to equivalent weight. So what is the answer? So if quantity of charge is 1 Faraday in the electrolytic solution, then how much amount of substance will be deposited? That amount always will be equal to equivalent weight of that substance. Let us say कॉपर डिपॉजिट हो रहा, तो कितनी अमाउंट कॉपर की डिपॉजिट होगी? इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ कॉपर. इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ कॉपर कितना आएगा आप देख लीजिए. इसका एटॉमिक मास 63.5 है, इसका वैलेंस 2 है, 31.75. So in this way we can calculate how much amount of substance deposited. This is the first law, Faraday's first law.